Adding spice to your English with Indian idiomatic expressions. Hello language enthusiasts! Today, we're going to explore an exciting part of learning English: Indian English idiomatic expressions. This video is for you if you're ready to spice up your English vocabulary and sound more natural in conversations, particularly when talking to your Indian friends or colleagues. Let's dive in. To begin with, Indian English idiomatic expressions are phrases or sentences used in India that carry unique meanings, which might not be immediately apparent to non-native speakers. These expressions have evolved over time and are deeply rooted in the Indian culture and regional languages. Using these idioms can give your English a uniquely Indian flavor. Here are a few commonly used idiomatic expressions. 1. What's your good name? This is a polite way of asking someone's name. 2. Doing time pass. This means to waste time or doing something to pass the time. 3. Out of station. This means someone is out of town or not currently in their usual location. The real beauty of idioms is how they can liven up conversations. Here are examples of how to use the idioms we learned. 1. When meeting a new colleague, you could ask, "What's your good name?" instead of the more common, "What's your name?" 2. If someone is asking what you're doing while you're just scrolling on your phone, you could say, "Just doing time pass." 3. If your colleague is not at work and someone asks about them, you could say, "Oh, they're out of station for a few days." Now that you know some Indian English idioms, practice makes perfect. Try using these idioms in your daily conversations, and soon you'll be able to use them effortlessly. You can even try making sentences using these idioms and practice them with your friends or in your English language club. So, there you have it. Today, we've spiced up our English vocabulary with some delightful Indian English idiomatic expressions. Remember, language is all about communication and connecting with people. So, don't be afraid to experiment with these idioms and bring a bit of Indian flavor to your conversations. Hope this video was helpful. Stay curious and keep learning. Until next time, cheers and happy learning.